HPC-AI Fine-Tuning SDK already makes it easy to fine-tune LLMs on GPU Cloud. No cluster management, no environment setup, pay only for what you use. We have brought it further with ClawFinetune, an OpenClaw skill that let your agent run fine-tuning jobs end-to-end, entirely through conversation. Because OpenClaw connects to the tools you already use, Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, and more, you can trigger a fine-tuning job from wherever you already work. Install it once, and your agent can launch, monitor, and manage fine-tuning jobs entirely through chat. Just specify your base model and dataset you want to use for fine-tuning to your agent through chat. The agent compiles a full training plan, backend selection, hyperparameters, dataset configuration, and presents it for review before anything runs. Once you confirm, the job is submitted to HPC-AI's GPU Cloud. A run ID returns back immediately. From there, you can query training status, pull logs, or cancel the job all through the same conversation. Same SDK, new interface. Links are in the description.